Is live in Janesville with details. AJ?
Bev, Ben, Vice President Pence was joined by the Secretary of Health and Human Services, Tom Price, along with House Speaker Paul Ryan in his hometown, and Senator Ron Johnson. First, they met privately with a small group of Rock County farmers and small business owners, then gave their speeches here at the Blaines Farm and Fleet Distribution Center. Much of those remarks addressed health care. After a warm response from the assembled group of Blaines employees, a pair of top White House officials bring their health care ideas to Janesville. Of course, it starts with repealing and replacing the Affordable Care Act.
We're going to replace it with something that actually works and lowers the cost of health insurance for every American.
Vice President Mike Pence, along with Health and Human Services Secretary Tom Price, say the key to lowering costs is promoting competition and eliminating the mandate ordering people to buy insurance.
It's imperative that we be able to purchase health insurance across state lines, just like you can other kinds of insurance.
The Vice President says even without the national health care law known as Obamacare, people with pre-existing conditions will be able to buy health insurance.
I promise you that Americans struggling with pre-existing conditions have access to the coverage and the care that they need, and will give states the flexibility and the freedom and the resources they need to take care of our most vulnerable.
Critics on the left have said access simply means higher costs and less coverage for those at risk. Some Republicans have criticized proposed tax credits in the plan for buyers, saying that's too expensive. One participant in the private meeting Friday says that did come up.
The Vice President did mention that this is not going to be simple. Everybody's not on the same page.
Vice President Pence makes one thing clear in his speech: the current law of the land is off the table.
The Obamacare nightmare is about to end.
And Vice President Pence says congressional efforts to repeal and replace the Affordable Care Act will take off in just a few days. And while it may not have been said today, the message was clear, with the Vice President and Health and Human Services Secretary Price appearing alongside Speaker Ryan here in Janesville. The White House and House GOP leaders are on the same page when it comes to health care policy. Reporting live in Janesville this evening, AJ Bayapur, Fox 6 News.
AJ, thank you. Now, not every